Oh boy. This is not cool. Yep, more of that. Oops, wrong one. I'll at least turn those on. And now we're getting lightning. Of course we are. Yeah. Optimistic Army, Christian Maracle is here, and I'm listening to a thunderstorm in my car for some reason. It's in the early stages. We're likely getting a thunderstorm today. Alright, well, I'm gonna get on the road because I'm going to the supermarket, get some dinner, and of course I'll talk to you guys on the way there. As soon as I get out of my car, out of my way, out of Mama Maracle's vehicle's way. I don't know what I'm even saying. And off we go. We've been getting more storms frequently. I don't know what the case is, but we've been getting a lot of this lately. I mean, sure, it's the summer, and there's those times when hot and cold air mix up. Actually, wait, that forms tornadoes, I forgot. And again, I've survived a few warnings out here. Anyone going? No? You're good? We're good. Woohoo! Still having fun. So, yeah, you guys are all looking at the sky while I'm talking. Hope that's okay with you. Oh! Okay. We're getting more action today. Looks like the rain is picking up. Okay, shit. You know what? I think I should have brought a jacket for this occasion. Because, like, well, it's raining. It involves me. Oh, I see a lot of... I don't know if that's fog in the distance or rain picking up, but I guess I'm about to find out. Oh boy. Yeah, it looks to me like the rain is gonna pick up from up ahead over there. Driving in a thunderstorm. I love doing that. Clouds are really low on that end. Wind's picking up too. Jesus. Well, anyway, let's see. This video will be released probably the day after I get this created. But today is actually Sunday. Tomorrow, the day you're watching this, however, you guys, it's likely Monday. This week's a very important week for me because, well, I gotta get myself prepared, ready, because I'm gonna be going on vacation starting Thursday. What's going on is I'm going on a vacation to Virginia Beach. And I've mentioned that in a few recent videos, but I never exactly explained what's going on and the causes of it. I mean, sure, other people go on vacation just because. Like, for me, that's somewhat part of the reason, but the other reason is, like, I'm going to be spending time with a friend of mine. Oh, nice lightning. I'm spending time with a friend of mine who I've known for a long, long time. A friend of mine and his family. Pretty much I consider them part of my family, too. We're pretty close. And, oh, shit! God damn, I should have had the camera pointing in that direction. Continuing saying what I was supposed to say while I have the camera pointed because, well, see if we can get some lightning action while I'm talking. This friend of mine, his name's Joshua Nobles, who you guys probably don't remember that much, but if you do, from the Optimistic Awards show, oh, gotcha. He won the 2016 Optimistic Army Member of the Year award. He's been like a little brother to me, and I've been like a big brother to him. He and I have known each other for quite some time, quite a long time. I got to know his family too. He's gotten to know mine. And for the longest time, we only knew each other via Skype, but now we're actually going to meet each other face to face. Because I was invited to spend a few days with him and his family at their home in Virginia. And so I thought to myself, that'd be a great idea. And the reason this is nerve-wracking for me is because, well, not exactly gone on a vacation completely on my own before. I mean, sure, I've had my mother go with me to Dallas and Orlando for WrestleMania 32 and 33, but this is completely different because I'm going to be completely on my own. So it's going to be a really scary situation for me. But I'm sure I'll be fine. Because, like, a lot of great things are going to be happening. You guys are going to get to see Josh, because I'll likely do some vlogging while I'm there. But during the time when I'm going to be out on vacation, I will not be working on the WWE Sins or any other Sin videos. I'm going to be there from Thursday, July 20th to Tuesday, July 25th. So about 5 days. 5 days off, with the exception of making some vlogs and other cool videos. Storm's not showing much just because it's on camera. I'm sorry that I've not been making content as much as I have been before. Despite my channel coming back, it's not exactly made things better, despite the fact that I'm happy. I'm happy that the channel is back, but at the same time, it's been pretty rough lately. And that's why I'm thinking I just need this vacation. Oh shit, it's really dark. Look at this. It's starting to get darker out here. It's really dark, you know. Oh shit. The fog's coming up. I'm thinking the rain's about to get faster and a lot bigger. This is gonna be a crazy ride. Oh shit, here it comes, here it comes. And I better speed this up. Better speed this. Oh, hey, what the hell is this? What's that? Uh-oh, what is that? What is that? Is that my house? That's my house. That's gonna be my house. Oh, shit. Oh, Jesus. Oh, shit, why'd I open the freaking window? That ain't cool. Now I'm being attacked here. I'm being attacked. Oh, shit. I'm being attacked everywhere. Oh, boy, yeah. This is crazy. Whatever happened to the good old days when I was not being attacked by the rain? Help me, everyone. I'm being fucking killed. Oh. Oh, God. Oh, God. Oh, God. What did I just drive into? A freaking hurricane? That's what I just drove in. I can barely see what's going on here. And now I'm having to shout. Oh shit! Fuck! 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 Okay, maybe filming and driving is not a good idea. Oh my God. Oh fuck. Look at all that. Rain bends. Look at the surf and the way they move. Okay. I almost crashed the car because apparently this is starting to slide on me. This is getting really dangerous. I think I'm gonna have to cut the camera for a second. Wow. That was intense, and now everything started, it's gone. Mother Nature just pissed on Christian Maracle. Again. Been there, done that. That's happened to me so many times. can just continue saying what I was saying. Like, while I'm in Virginia Beach, hanging out with Josh and his family, I'm going to be doing things like water parks, going to the beach, attending WWE Live in Hampton, Virginia, by the way, to anybody that's attending a WWE Live event in Hampton, Virginia on Saturday, July 22nd. Christian Maracle is going to be there. Just putting that out there. Wow. Look at this. Ice outside right here. Now watch what will happen if I turn to the left. Oh my god. These storm clouds are everywhere. Yep, they're still above us. We're still alive. Nearly crashed the car, but still alive. Whew. Now I can continue to do what I was supposed to do, which is get to the supermarket, get some dinner. I just hope I don't die in a possible tornado. Just kidding. There's no tornadoes coming today. I'm good. And I'm gonna be good. Whew. That was a fun and really enjoyable ride. Not really, but I guess you could say it is. Whew. That was fun, though. Oh, yeah, and also I forgot to mention that while I'm in Virginia, I'm going to be watching WWE Battleground, I believe. Oh, God, what was the place called? Okay, it's a sporting restaurant, hangout somewhere, someplace like that. Something like that, I don't know, but it's a place where there's a lot of TVs just streaming the event and other sporting events as well. So I'm going to be watching Battleground from there, and I might even do a Battleground reactions video. That could be fun. Oh, God. I gotta turn left. We all know what that means. If I turn left, I gotta go right into the direction of more assaults from this freaking storm cloud. Yeah, covered in rain. Was a bad idea to go here without bringing a freaking jacket or something to cover up. Hey, get an early shower before I get a real one, I guess. Well, it's safe to say that with the exception of some sprinkling rain now, that the storm's pretty much east. No, ceased. Damn it. I suck at my words. Fuck. Freaking leader of the WWE Sins sometimes doesn't even know what to say. That is just who I am. Well, that was an enjoyable ride, wasn't it? Got my dinner. Shit, this was quite the ride. Still got some lightning in the distance behind us. Aside from that, we're safe to say we are good at last. So, thanks for watching this video. This rather bizarre video. I was trying to talk about my vacation, and I ended up driving in a freaking severe thunderstorm. Oh, Jesus. So, subscribe for more content. Twitter, Facebook, links in the description. Patreon, link in the description as well. Thanks for... Hope you guys had fun. I mean, that was more enjoyable than anything I went through this weekend. Reap. Anyway. Love you guys forever, and remember to think optimistically.